Hey there, Bravo here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a range ticket. Our favorite customer just rolled in, ready for 30 minutes of range time. Let's get him set up and having fun in no time. Start by heading to the right side menu and click Range Management. To add a customer, just search their name, highlight their profile, and click Select. Boom, they're on the range ticket. He already signed the waiver, so we'll go ahead and check that box to confirm it's done. Now for the fun part, assigning a lane. Jump over to the base section and pick an open lane that works best. Next, let's fill up that cart. Our customer wants to rent a firearm, so we're going to click Rent a List. Select the firearm by checking the box and hit Add. Easy, right? He's planning for a 30-minute session and also wants to rent eye protection. Click Fees and Packages, grab the 30-minute duration, then switch tabs to add the eye protection. Click Add and the cart has been updated. Clicking Tender Cart will bring us to the transaction screen. When we click Next, we'll be able to collect payment. Once that's done, print their range pass and their time on range has officially begun. If another customer wants to book range time, simply click Start New Range in the upper left-hand corner. That's it! Today we got our customer set up with time in the shooting range. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.